Yo, 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 good morning. Today's the first day that I am on vacation. And life is good. Vacation from my work. It feels so good waking up, not checking emails, not talking to no Beckies. Oh, it's excellent. This morning I'm actually gonna do something that I used to do so much in the past. So if you guys don't know, I used to be vegan for a long time. Hold up, I'm gonna put you down because my hand hurts already. So I was vegan for, oh my God, I don't know how long, like 2.5 years, 5+ years ago. And I used to juice all the time. It's one of the things that I used to do. And I left it. I don't even know what happened, but after moving a few times, I kind of like misplaced my juicer and then, you know, fell off the wagon. But I've been trying to pick it back up. Today we are going to juice and I have a bunch of carrots. I have celery. I don't really have anything to make it sweet, but we'll work with what we have. So this is my juicer. It's super old. It's an Omega Vert. I've had this juicer for over, I don't know, 7 years. I don't even know if they still sell this, but I will link something similar to it if you're interested. But I really like this juicer because of the way it juices. Okay, so for today's juice, I don't have much. I just have a bunch of carrots, some celery, and a cucumber. Usually I add apples to it, but I don't have any. This is gonna be it. Probably not gonna taste all that great, but it's good for you. It tastes exactly what you imagine celery, carrots, and cucumber taste like. But it's good for you. Ooh. Oh, hi. Can I make an appointment for mani and pedi for today?
What kind of manicure you want?
Dip nails.
Can you come at 4 p.m.?
Yes, that's perfect. So I just made an appointment to get my nails done. Y'all, it is time. Look at, I don't know if you can see, but look at my nails. It's been a while, okay? It's been a while. And I actually did my real nails last time, which made them last a lot longer. It was a lot shorter, but it's more practical, you know? I can't be like these influencers out there with like extra long nails. I have a regular life. I'm so excited to go today, but I should work out before I go. I should do that because I haven't been working out, you guys. It's been in the back burner and I don't like it. You know what I'm gonna do? I am going to plan out my day really quickly, at least the next 2 hours, because my appointment's at 4 and it's 1:40. I write everything down, y'all. This is just how I keep my life together. If I don't write it down, it doesn't happen. Done. I am going to answer a few emails, work out, shower, get my nails done. Did I say I was on vacation today? Does it feel like it? No. Oh my God, you guys, I have to figure something out with this room. It just, I don't like it. It just looks so bad. I don't know. Di ba kaya? Kung kawal.
Hindi ko berhasil membagaikan itu. Dia nambah.
Merci. Est-ce que merci, oui? Merci.
Di kabin mesmo ya?
Di papa abim mesmo. that whenever it comes down to working out, when it's time to actually do it, everything's wrong. You know, my finger hurts, my nails hurt, my hair hurts. I'm tired, I'm sleepy, everything. Is it just me? But I've been saying I want to work out for the past 2 weeks, so I guess. To work out, but then when I do, first of all, it's kind of like quick things, you know, less than an hour. There's 24 hours in a day, you know, I can spare an hour for me. And second of all, I feel great after, so it's just getting over that mental block, you know. Anyways, it is now 3:13, so I gotta hurry up, shower, and go because I don't like being late. So a couple of vlogs ago, I told you guys that there was this one product that's been a game changer for me when it comes to hyperpigmentation. And I don't think I actually ever shared it, but here it is. It's azelaic acid. I get this one from Paula's Choice. This product, you guys, it's like a little miracle worker. I have never used anything that works so well on hyperpigmentation. I like to just focus on my cheeks and my jawline. Those are my problematic spots. This is such a wonderful product. I will link it down below for you guys. It's so good. This is like my bad cheek, and I used to have such bad hyperpigmentation there. If you go like my last skincare video, you can see how bad it was, and now look at it. Like, my cheeks look so good. I am breaking out a little bit on this side though. I have this nasty pimple that won't go away, and I have another one coming too. So I am basically done. I'm ready to go. It's one of those chill days, you know, we don't need makeup. We're just trying to get our nails done and zoom back home, so. I'm at the store. I need 3 things: apple, dish soap, and eggs for breakfast. Y'all already know, if I have no eggs, I have no breakfast food. Guys, look at my nails. I love it. She did such a great job. I even took her name because, you know, when you find somebody that does great work, you gotta hold on to them. Because lately, I don't know if it's COVID or anything, these girls been messing up. I also did my toes. You can barely see them. Hold up. My toes are looking cute too, sis. Okay. I am starving. I need to eat something and also edit the video that, you know, you are watching right now. Has to get done. So I don't even know what I'm gonna eat. I think I'm just gonna make myself some noodles. I've been eating noodles all week. It's so bad. These ones, oh my god, y'all, I can eat them all day. I have to do something with this room. It bothers me so much. Anyways, this is kind of like my little thing that I did today. It's kind of like planning for 2021, and I'm so proud of it. I followed Maddie James. She had a live today and I was there. So I kind of followed her thought process of doing things like that. Although I realized it's one of the things that I kind of already been doing. I wasn't using Post-its. I was writing them down in my bullet journal and then now onto my iPad. So I'm basically like planning what I want to do in 2020. I just have a lot of ideas and just a lot of just drive for 2021. Did I say 2020? Y'all know I'm at 2021. Pretty exciting. I have a lot going on. So there's a lot of work to do. So I'm really happy that I'm actually off work this week because I can really like plan things out. Anyways, let's edit this video. Hopefully it's not boring because I feel like I didn't really do anything today. But hopefully at least I edited in a fun way because I don't even know. I don't know. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed today's vlog. Comment down below. Let me know one thing that you did today that you're proud of. For me, it's this. But let me know what you did. All right? And I'll see you tomorrow.